Hi everyone, this is Mark from Singapore. Have you ever wanted an alarm that just wouldn't shut up until you put in the password? Well, neither did I, but I made it anyway. In these two boxes, you can set your own customized message as well as your password. We're going to go ahead and just set the alarm for 1 minute after, just to see how it works. Even if you go out of the app, it still works, as an alarm should. And here the notification comes out, and we'll click it to go into the app. As you can see, the alarm only stops when you put in the password that you set. And that's my password alarm.